Hey friends, here's how I like to print on fabric. I use a sheet of adhesive paper and these are linked on my Amazon list, so I'll include a link below. And all you do is peel off the sheet and use the sticky side on your fabric. And I've already got my fabric trimmed to the size of the paper, which is 8.5 by 11. I trim it just a little bit shorter and make sure nothing is hanging over the side of your adhesive paper. And we're going to just email the image to ourselves and open a Word document, so I'll do that now. So I've already emailed the image to myself and I'm opening up this Word document and I'll link it below. It's just a 6-inch circle I have in a Word document, so I know about how big the image will be when I print it out, because I want this to be in a 6-inch embroidery hoop. So I'm just going to move this image back over to the first page and print off the first page. So I loaded my sheet of paper into my printer and just printed it off like normal, and then you can peel the adhesive side off. You can reuse the adhesive paper multiple times. I print hundreds and hundreds of these a month and I use them about 40 or 50 times. It saves you so much time from tracing your own patterns. Ready, you can go ahead and transfer it to your hoop with your extra piece of fabric if you're like me. And I like to go ahead and trim the excess fabric with my pinking shears, and these are also linked on my Amazon list. But there you go, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you again next time.